I'm Dr. Leanne Brady, and one of the things that for many of us we struggle with in our clinical practice is trying to figure out how to incorporate occlusion and which are our patients that we really need to worry about their occlusal risk and who are the patients where that's not a concern. I'm going to invite you to come down and spend 2 days with us at the Pankey Institute in Key Biscayne, Florida at our Occlusion in Everyday lecture course. Whether you are already feeling proficient about assessing functional risk and how to manage it, or this is a topic that's on your radar to start to learn about and focus on in your practice, in this 2 days we will cover everything from assessing functional risk in an easy, reproducible way every day in your practice, all the way through managing functional risk using appliance therapy and equilibration. It's an incredible 2-day program, and you will love being in Key Biscayne, Florida with us.